Alright, it is now Friday, August 30th. So here's our date, just like we've done the past 2 days. We're going to put our date and our title at the top of our page. We need paper, pencil, and a calculator. Okay, here's our do now. I want you to work through this. Save room for your essential question at the top. So work through, pause the video, work through these, and we'll look at them together in a minute. Alright, so here is our objective. What are we going to learn? We're going to review algebra concepts by solving multi-step equations. That's what we're going to do. So again, how do you solve multi-step equations? We're just reviewing again from what we learned yesterday. We're going to work one more problem together. Alright, what is the point? Again, no pencil, so you don't need to write this down. Here's our repeat and repeat. What is this one? Good. And this one? What about this one? Equation. This one? And this one. Variable. And this one? Call this the distributive property. And finally, terms with the same variable and exponent are like terms. Here's our steps. Again, we've written these down. We should have them in our notes. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4, and then our optional step number 5. Real quick, turn to your partner, talk about the 5 steps, talk about what they are and when we use them. Alright, we are going to work one last problem together, then we're going to work some more practice problems in class. Step 1, fractions and parentheses. Here's our parentheses. So we bring our 7 down. Negative 7 times n is negative 7m. Negative 7 times negative 3, negative times a negative is positive 21. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 times negative 2m, negative times a negative is positive. 3 times 2 is 6, and we have an m. So our fractions and parentheses are gone. Step 1 is done. Step 2 is to combine like terms. So we look at the left. All we have is a 7. There's nothing to combine. Look at the right. What can we combine on the right? Don't forget to take your signs with you. Negative 7m and plus 6m. Those are alike. So we bring our 7 down from the left side. Negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1m. Then we can also combine our plus 21 minus 6, and we get plus 15. So step 2 is done. Our terms are combined. Step 3 is to separate. Where do we want to put our variables? Left or the right side? We're going to put them on the right side because there's already one there. And we're going to put our numbers on the left side. So we look at this number here. It's a number, it can stay. We look over here, we want m's. So the negative 1m can stay, but the 15 has no m, so it has to go. To undo plus 15, we subtract 15. 7 minus 15 is negative 8 equals, bring down the negative 1m, plus 15 minus 15, those cancel. So step 3 is done. Step 4 is to divide by the number next to the variable. It's a negative 1. So we are going to divide both sides by negative 1. These cancel, and we're left with m equals negative 8 divided by negative 1 is a positive 8. So step 4 is done. We don't have any squared variables, so step 5 is done. It's not necessary. Alright, so this walks you through all the steps. We're going to have an assignment. We'll work on some more when we come back on Tuesday. And then we'll have a quiz on this either the end of class on Tuesday or on Wednesday. One of those 2 days we will have a short quiz on this information.